Hey everyone, it's Claudia, the Organized Homemaker. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a greenhouse tour, and we're going to start in the greenhouse. In the back, I have 3 lemon trees, 2 Meyer lemon, and over here is a variegated pink lemon tree. I have some bananas that I will be dividing in the spring, as well as ginger lily back there and a passion fruit vine right here. I have some flavor peppers, and those peppers look like this. They look like Scotch bonnet peppers and taste like Scotch bonnet peppers, but they are not very hot. There's no heat whatsoever. Continuing with our tour, we arrive at the olive trees. These are 2 Arbequina olive trees. If you notice back over in the corner, I have hay. That hay is to keep the greenhouse hot. It is 80 degrees in the greenhouse today, and it's about 70 degrees outside. So it does the job. So 2 Arbequina olive trees. These are my ferns that I had hanging outside my garden this summer. I have a Persian lime tree that has limes growing on it. I also have a patio guava tree, as well as a tea leaf tree. There's a papaya tree back over in there. Thai basil back in the corner. That's a soursop tree there. This is a ghost pepper plant that I dug up out of my garden. It was loaded and still loaded with lots of peppers. And so I dug it up and I put it in this huge pot, hoping to overwinter it and harvest the remaining peppers that are on the tree. And you can see they're ripening in here in the greenhouse. I planted quite a bit of flavor peppers this year, and I think I have maybe 10 plants remaining. I gave away quite a few. I have another citrus tree back there. Here's another one here, and I have 4 pomegranates as well. Here is an avocado tree. This is a Joey avocado. This is an Ooh La La avocado, and this is an Angie mango. I have sugar cane, more flavor peppers, and my moringa tree that did not like to be moved into the greenhouse, but it is putting out new leaves and it seems to be perking back up. This is the lemongrass that was in my last video, and as you can see, it is growing and almost ready to be harvested again. That's what's growing in my greenhouse. Oh, I forgot to show you. This is Christophine in some Caribbean islands. In Jamaica, they call it chocho. In Hispanic cultures, it's called chayote squash. It got touched by frost a little bit because I forgot it outside, y'all. But as you can see, it's putting out new leaves, and it's got little baby chayote squashes on there. Take a look. See if we can get you to focus on it. It's not wanting to focus. Let's try it again. There we go. This is my greenhouse. I have hay strategically placed because the theory is that hay, as it decomposes, releases heat and it'll keep the greenhouse warm. And you can see nothing has been singed, and we've had 2 days here that were below frosting, if not frost, if not close to freezing. All right, everybody, have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.